Let's start by looking at the TypeScript code in the app component TS file. Here, we define our app component with an initial theme set to light theme. We also create a method called toggleTheme, which simply switches the value of the theme property between light theme and dark theme every time it's called. This provides the basic functionality needed to toggle our themes. Moving on to the HTML template in app component HTML, we have a div that uses the Angular ngClass directive. ngClass will add the class name stored in the theme property to this div. So, depending on the theme value, either light theme or dark theme will be applied as the class. Furthermore, there's a button with a click event listener that triggers the toggleTheme method, allowing us to switch between themes. In the global styles file, styles CSS, we define CSS variables for the light and dark themes. We have two sets of variables for the background and text colors. The light theme and dark theme classes apply these variables using the var function, and they are designed to set the background color and text color for the body element or any other element where these classes are applied. These CSS rules complete the visual part of our theme toggling functionality. Now, let's see how this all comes together. Initially, the app will load with the light theme since that's the default value set in the app component. When the user clicks the toggleTheme button, the toggleTheme method is executed, changing the theme property to dark theme if it's currently light theme, or to light theme if it's currently dark theme. The ngClass directive in the HTML template responds to the change in the theme property by updating the class applied to the div. As the class changes, the corresponding CSS variables for background and text colors are applied. This changes the appearance of the application in real time, creating the effect of toggling between a light and a dark theme. Using CSS variables for theming makes the process more manageable and efficient because you can define multiple variables at the root level and reuse them throughout your application. Moreover, the use of Angular's property binding and ngClass directive provides a seamless way to apply these themes dynamically.